Hey guys, it's Monday, and so that we have our weekly schedule ready to go. And I hope that you are all doing well. I miss you very, very much. And I hope that you are excited for this week's assignments and project ideas because I really am, and I can't wait to see what you come up with when it comes to them. So I'm going to get right to it. Every day, don't forget to do the attendance. It's really important. It's going to sometimes be questions that are just checking in to see how you're doing, and sometimes it's information that I need to gather. So please make sure you're doing that in a timely manner. You should really be logging on to Google Classroom by, 10:30 in the morning, the latest. Just to kind of even just get your day started to see what your assignments are for the day, to organize yourself, and to do the attendance, as soon as you wake up is really helpful for me because it also gives me just an insight as to what time you are logging in. All right, so besides for attendance, let's get straight into math. So our math is going to be a little bit different this week. You have lessons or like your daily assignment, and then there's also homework. So for Monday's daily assignment, it is a Seesaw question. You are going to be logging on to Seesaw. You could click on the link through Google Classroom, or you can just access it, you know how to access Seesaw. And you are going to go to the assignment marked as May 4th, and you will read the question and answer the question within the assignment. And that would be your daily lesson assignment for that day. Plus, you have a homework playlist, which you have every single day this week, and I will be going over it. What's new this week is that I am going to be doing a live math lesson on Tuesday. So it's going to be at the time that I do the Google Meets at 11 a.m. in the morning for the Tuesday group. So I'm anticipating that all of you are joining me at 11 a.m. for the lesson. And then after the lesson is over, those students who are not part of the Tuesday meet would be able to leave if they want to, or they can stay in and I can answer some questions for them. But that's how Tuesday is going to work. Wednesday, you have an assignment on Google Classroom. And then Thursday and Friday, you will be working on a project. Now, in a separate video, you will get more of an explanation as to what the project is, but just thinking about what you really know about multiplication and division, and you will be creating some sort of project that will demonstrate what you know. So just keep that in mind and be on the lookout for another video that explains that project. That project will be posted on Thursday, and you will have all day Thursday to work on it and Friday, and it would be due on Friday. In regards to your playlist, I just want to go into that for a second. So here is your homework playlist. It's going to be posted as a material on Google Classroom. So your homework every day for math is to select one of these websites. And you need to dedicate 30 minutes. You could put a timer. You could just look at what the time on the clock is. You'll go to those websites, you'll log in, and you will work focusing on a specific math skill. It could be multiplication, division, fractions, area, perimeter, time. It really is your choice. And then once you are done, you are going to click on the Google form. And this is done every single day. And you will type in your name. You're going to click the date. So if you're doing it on Monday, you'll click for the 4th, Tuesday, and you fill it out every single day. You tell me what website you chose, and then what skill you worked on, and then you press submit. It's really important that you are completing your playlist homework every single day. So it's not that you have to mark as done every day, but you do need to go in 30 minutes on a specific website of your choice, and then you fill out the Google form. The Google form is my way of really seeing that you have done your homework. Reading is staying the same, independent reading. Some of you are doing a great job on it, and some of you are not filling it out at all. And I am marking that and noticing that. And that's really on you to really put some effort into reading. In regards to ELA, you're going to have a video lesson on Monday, and then you are going to revise. You have a video lesson on Tuesday, and you are going to edit. And then Wednesday, it is publishing day. Wednesday, you are going to turn in your Google Doc of your final published piece, and you are going to start a digital book on this website called Book Creator. And the login is over here and the class code is over here, but there will be another video that explains how to get onto Book Creator and how to use it. And you can start on Wednesday, but it is due on Friday, and that would be the only assignment for Thursday and Friday. So just you can get started Wednesday, or you can, finish publishing your doc on Wednesday and start Thursday, but the idea is that you are going to be done with it by Friday. And that's really the week schedule, my friends. So there's going to be a couple of other videos that are coming out to really explain your math project and to explain Book Creator. And please make sure that you join me for the live lesson on Tuesday for math. It will be short, so don't stress about that too much, but just make sure that you're watching your weekly videos and your lessons so that you know exactly what's going on this week. Bye.